Hi everyone, and welcome to day 16 of Holiday Hustle. You might feel a little burn from yesterday in your shoulders, so I'm going to keep you on your backs today to eliminate any overuse of the shoulders, especially doing all those planks. Meet me on your back in 3, 2, 5 minutes on the clock. Starts right here. You're going to exhale your legs straight up into the air, and then I want you to climb an imaginary rope. So you're going to reach straight up to the sky, and you're going to feel like you're pulling something down that's over top of you, okay? So pull, 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 pull. Feel that energy drawing in and down as you do it. Good. You're here for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Come on, pull. 2, 1. Exhale, hands behind your head. Crunch. Crunch. Keep those feet high to the sky. Flex your feet if you want. Push straight up into the air. 8, 7. Pick up your shoulder blades. 6, 5, 4. Come on, you've got this. 3, 2, 1. Good. Bend your knees at 90 degrees for me. Exhale, put your head down. You're going to reach your feet forward like you're going to push a door open, and then exhale, pull your knees right back in, reverse crunch. All right, 2-part movement. Push forward, push to the door, knees to 90, reverse crunch. Good. Push to the door, knees to 90, reverse. Push the door open. Good. Reverse. 4 more of those babies. Push, reverse. Nice. Push, reverse. Last 2, push, pull it in, reverse. Last rep, push, pull it in. Good. Lay your legs all the way down. Take your right heel on top of your left big toe. Exhale your hands behind your head. Crunch, crunch. So we're fully getting the spine flat, and then we're curling up. We're keeping our legs long, which gets the hip flexors out of the work. In 4, we switch legs. 3, other leg on top. 2, 1. There should be some burn happening, yeah? Lift. 2, 3. Come on. Up and up. And find that fire. 4, 3. Legs are going to go straight. 2, Pilates roll-up style. Legs straight. Inhale, arms up and over your head. Exhale, up, reach, roll back. Good. Reach, reach, reach. Good. Keep it up. Lengthen, extend high, tap. 4 more of those babies. Root down into your tailbone. Just about that 2-minute mark, okay? Keep moving with me. This is a slower pace movement where it might feel like you want to speed up to get more reps in, but the reality is you want to keep it slow. You want to think about creating length. Good. Straight up and then forward. Last one here. You're going to stay up. Reach, reach, reach. Good. Now drive your knees in right here. Heels stay down. Okay? Extend your arms forward. Exhale, come back slowly, and then squeeze your elbows to come up, okay? Exhale, go back slowly. Squeeze your elbows to come up. So really pinch your scapula. Come back slowly. Squeeze to come up. Good. Come back slowly. Hold it. Squeeze to come up. Now come back slowly. Hold. 5, 4. Come on, chest up. 3. There you go. Final 2. One more rep. Exhale, interlace your fingers, index fingers forward to the right. Pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5. Come on. 4, 3, 2. Switch sides. Pulse. 8, 7, 6. Let it burn. 5, 4, 3, 2. Pulse straight to center. Reach, reach, pulse. Good. We got under 30 seconds, guys. 5, 4. Come on. 3, 2, 1. Hold it right here. Add the legs if you want. Hold. Good. You can do anything for less than 20 seconds. Maybe you go straight legs, full boat pose, Navasana in yoga, or you keep it bent, or you keep your heels down, keep your spine long, keep your chest lifted. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You have completed today. Nice job, guys. Stretch out your low back if you felt any pain or tension from that. Repeat it to give me a 10-minute workout instead. Nice work.